In my practice, I often get the following question from data management professionals. Do we need to measure data management maturity? I heard different opinions from data management professionals around the globe. Some are convinced that companies must measure it. Others haven't seen any use of it. Some say that the data management in their companies is immature to measure its maturity. So if you ask me, do we need to measure data management maturity? My definite answer is yes. Let me briefly explain my opinion. A maturity assessment is an excellent tool for defining a company's ambitions and planning corresponding actions. The second reason is the ability to develop performance indicators and monitor a company's performance in data management. The third reason is the ability to benchmark results. Let's define what data management maturity is. Let's pay attention to the key words of this definition. First, this is measurement. Some data management maturity assessments are based on qualitative descriptions of a company's development. The second keyword phrase is the ability to improve data management. In this case, we mean a data management capability, its sub-capabilities, and the dimensions that constitute the capability. So let's look at a company's various choices if it wants to perform a maturity assessment. A company can apply existing methodologies. However, the key challenge is that your data management model must be identical to the data management maturity model. I shared the results of my investigations on inconsistencies in defining various data management capabilities in multiple articles, YouTube videos, webinars, and courses. I don't want to repeat it now. If you're interested, you can find them at the datacrossroads.nl site. Demo 2, DECOM, and Gartner are examples of existing well-known methodologies. However, you must know some challenges associated with using these sources. For example, Demo 2 provides only recommendations regarding the design, so you will need to develop your assessment using the methodology. In any case, you would need to put much effort into doing it. If you want to use DECOM, Data Management Capability Assessment Model, your company must become a payable Enterprise Data Governance Council member. So it may cost less effort but more money. You can also develop your model. You can also use some free resources. A simplified scan by Data Crossroads is an example. I'll use the famous saying, "Every Jack has his Jill," to describe my viewpoint on choosing a maturity model. The rule is simple. The method and model to measure a company's data management maturity should meet the company's needs and resources. A company should perform 7 steps to measure maturity, regardless of the chosen data management maturity model. The first step seems obvious, but in any case, it's essential. You need to realize why you need this assessment. For planning purposes, you also need to assess a planning period. The second step is to identify the data management model you use. This model includes data management building blocks, their structure, and key deliverables. The third step is to identify the chosen maturity model. At this step, you identify the building blocks, assessment criteria, key performance indicators, and the assessment methodology. During the third step, these two models should be mapped. The fourth step is to choose a method. You can perform a maturity assessment at a high or lower abstraction levels. The fifth step is to assess as-is and to-be situations and perform a gap analysis. After that, you will plan how to achieve the to-be situation and design performance metrics. You can also be interested in performing benchmarking. However, this is an optional step. I encourage you to use a free maturity scan published at the Data Crossroads site. The Data Management Maturity Scan lets you quickly assess the maturity level for 5 core capabilities: data governance, modeling, information systems architecture, data quality, and information value chain. The scan is designed to be used by data management professionals and provides you with a high-level estimation of the current status of data management in your company, a recommendation for actions that will promote growth and improvement of your data management framework in the next 3 months, and estimation of required resources. If you want to benchmark the results of your company with your peers, you can download free data management maturity assessment reviews that Data Crossroads published 4 years in a row. Those interested in this topic can follow the Measuring Data Management Maturity course offered at the Data Crossroads Online Academy. A couple of words about me. My name is Irina Steenbeek. I am a data management practitioner with over 13 years of experience. In 2017, I established a company, Data Crossroads. I published 4 books and opened an online academy. If you have questions, please visit my site datacrossroads.nl. You can find plenty of free webinars and paid courses on the Data Crossroads Academy site. You can contact me on LinkedIn.